I'm Arturo, and
I'm Ramses here.
this is Ramses. So we're gonna show you what we have accomplished for Sprint 5, and I'm gonna begin by sharing my screen so Ramses can see what I'm doing as well. All right, can you see my screen now?
Yeah, perfect.
All right, nice. So I'm gonna go to Xcode and I'm gonna go over what we did on that sprint. So first I'm gonna run the program. As you can see, we implemented the splash screen. So as soon as you open it, you will see that screen. And for this sprint, we mainly did the retrieval data from the real-time database. So everything now is in real time, and it works in a synchronous mode. So it is synchronized with the real-time database. We're going to begin with the stylers. So you can either register here or you can log in. This will be deleted later. This is for us to test it, so we don't have to type it every time. But you can create a new user and log in with that one. So now all this data is coming from the database in real time. This address is stored in real time. This is going to be the description from the store that the styler provides in real time.
Exactly. So you can go ahead and test one so
what
person can see it. Yeah.
And all right, so everything here is in real time. Also, we implemented this. We show you that on another sprint. We show you that we can submit an image and we can upload it to the database, but we didn't have these functionalities implemented: the zip code, the address, and the tag. So we implemented the tag function for things like hair, I don't know, nails. So the styler can now put some tags like this, explaining that the service is going to have these features.
And then that would be helpful for SEO purposes and also for filtering. And
exactly,
the next team on that will take care of the app, they will find that helpful.
Exactly. So the next team that implements this can sort this data by hair, by nail, and then let the user filter that data.
And also, I want to add the zip code is also another improvement we add. So the zip code, that way, once we add the styler, add the zip code, it will be easier to locate where the post is created, where the person can locate that service. Nice. And I think you can. I mean, you can test if you want. You can post something so you can see the feed on.
Sure. Let me. Let's see. So let's go to the Firebase application, and I think I'm logged in with another user. Hold on.
Yeah, but I mean, it's gonna show up on the. It's gonna show up on the app. It's gonna show up the new.
Oh yeah, it's gonna show up on the app, but I wanted to show the real-time implementation. So this is the real-time database, and these are the posts that we currently have that you're seeing here. Here. So for example, Cristino Salon Spa is going to be the first one. So here's the title, Cristino Salon Spa. We have the tag. we were testing with this. This feature, we're gonna show you this later. Don't worry about this right now. This is the image description, and let me see, the zip code 33132 is not showing here, but it is needed for later implementation. Let's say that the user wants to filter some saloons based on the zip code. We have this data loaded here for the developers to implement later on. So, for example,
since the last spring we come up with the location, and so we now have that zip code also in order to enhance like that type of service, like a type of filtering and things. Yeah.
All right, so now if we post this service, it's gonna appear here in real time, as well as here on this scroll view. Right now we were messing around with the database a lot, that's why it's taking a little bit, but as you can see here, it did upload it automatically as well as here. So it is uploading the data in real time. So here is the title, the test, and if we expand this, you see that everything that we uploaded is here, including the zip code, which will be needed later for sorting purposes.
And also I want to add the timestamp, which is also important.
Yes, this timestamp is very important to know when the user posted in it could be added some security measurements later on, but we implemented it just in case for feature implementation as a courtesy, just to leave it there for now. So all right, so let me delete this post, and when I delete it, you're gonna see also in real time that this will be deleted. So everything is synchronized in real time. All right, let's see. Delete from the database, and it deleted it from here. So everything is in sync. Another functionality that we implemented was the logout. I don't know if you saw that.
Yeah.
So the user can log out now, very easy, and then, I mean, not the user, the saloon professional, and then come to log in as a user or with another account. Something else that we implemented was the transitions to make it more smooth for the users to sign in. So if you see here, we have this pop-up that the user can dismiss very easily. So there is no back button, it's just a very simple transition. So you can now log in as a user. Also, you can register. Come here and register, so you have a stack over that, and then if you register here, it's going to take you to this screen. So this is the screen that took the most work. We implemented this scroll view to put all the posts until a certain amount of posts. Of course, you can define that later, 10 posts here or 20, whatever you like. And then here, this book bottom is not yet implemented, because obviously there needs to be more done on the app before doing that. And then this start will be for the user to
save
his or her favorite saloons on their profile. So
and I just want to add also. So in this moment, currently, as you can see, there is just one user in that display, because there is just one person posting. In this case, is Arturo, which is the one testing the app, and then the user is only gonna see just one person, one styler posting, because of course just one user. But if I register or any other person register, then it's also gonna show up the username there, and everything is gonna be like depending on who posts the service.
Right. So this is the main feed, like for example, Twitter for all the saloons, all of them, not only for the user Arturo, but for all the saloons. For example, Arturo, Ramses, Mario, Maria, all the saloons will be posted here until you reach the limit, which we can set, let's say 10, 20. So this is like the feed, like Twitter feed, something like that, Facebook feed. And then this is the feature services. So this is the total, and then this is the features. Like, let's say the application wants to charge the business to be in this area. So this is the feature area that the saloons will be, so that the user has access and can notice it faster. Right now, it's not implemented the functionality because we need more business logic behind this. So we left it like this for now, but it is implemented. We only need to connect the actual image from the styler and link this book with this book, and that'll be it. So it's very simple to do, and also we left it implemented everything. So the only thing again is just link this image with the actual saloon. So that is implemented as well. And we also implement this logout button here, so you can again log out and go back. That's it. I believe that.
I think that's all, right?
Yeah, I think that's all.
Also, we include the icon on the.
Yeah, we included these icons here because we're thinking for Sprint 6 to.
No, I mean we include the main icon for the app, the small.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. If you wanna show that, yeah, close that.
Yes. So we included this icon for the app because it had none. So it's I think it's kind of nice to have a good design there. So we also included that, and we also included these bottoms here. They're not yet implemented. We're gonna implement it on Sprint 6, but I don't think we're gonna have time on Sprint 6 to implement something like this. So what we're gonna do is leave some legacy, some how do you call it, Ramses?
This UI design.
Some UI design for
layout for
the next team. So to leave the whole app layout so they can continue it, develop it later. And that's it. This is all we have for Sprint 5. Thank you. Thank you.